Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how I made a completely free WordPress website, and I just got it up on the line online yesterday. So stick around, I'll show this thing to you in just a moment. Alrighty, welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Kevin Lehner. I'm the Freedom Motivator, and what we do here at this website is we do how-to videos, entrepreneurship videos, affiliate marketing videos, and value videos, and anything to do with making money videos. And once in a while we throw in a motivation video too to keep you up on top of your game. Alrighty, and if this is your first time here too, make sure you reach down there and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ding dong that bell so you get notified of when we post new videos, okay? Alright, well, with that said, let's go ahead and get in on this. And like I said, I just got my website up online last night, and it's pretty much completely free. I'm about 98% free in terms of financial terms anyway. But yeah, I'll go ahead and get right in on this and let you take a look at it here. So the only thing really I had to pay for was about 3 months ago. I don't know if any of you guys that saw my video I made right here. It's the Get Great Web Hosting for a one-time payment for life, and no recurring payments. In other words, it's one and done. Pay one time and that's it for the rest of your life. Well, for the price of $37 3 months ago, I got hosting with lifetime.hosting is the name of the site, and I get to host 4 domains, 4 external domains, unlimited subdomains, and unlimited bandwidth, and 3 gigabytes of hosting space for $37 for the rest of my life. And I think that's a pretty good deal. Anyways, if you want to go and see this video right here, Get Great Web Hosting for a one-time payment for life with no more payments. I did that about 3 months ago when I bought this hosting service. Take a look at this video here. We'll explain a little bit more about it and so on. So it's really great. I don't have any problems with it, and have never had any problems with it. It's just been great hosting. Alrighty, so just finally got my WordPress website built. I've been working on it for about the last 2.5 3 months since I got this hosting, and little by little, you know, building it a little bit here, a little bit there, and finally got it up online and running here the other night. So, all right. So, anyways, so I paid $37 for the hosting, right, one time. And then I paid what, $9. I went to namecheap.com and spent $9 on a domain name. Okay, so figure about about $47 it cost me to do this, and that was way back 3 months ago. I paid that, so here we are today. I'm just finally getting this website up. Anyways, the name of my website is, of course, freedommotivator.com. freedommotivator.com. And this is it right here. And it's going to act as sort of my hub for my business. Everything will go around this. Instagram, my Twitter, and this YouTube channel, and what's the other one? Facebook, my Facebook page. All right, they'll revolve around. This will be the hub. When you're starting your business out, it's a good thing to have a website so that everything else can connect to it, and it helps with search engine optimization. It helps drive more traffic to yourself, to your business. So it's taken me a long time because I wanted to get it just the way I wanted it, and I've been working on it almost 3 months now. So finally got it up online. But anyways, it's got this is the static front page right here. It's got down here, it's got proudly powered by WordPress, see, and its privacy policy is there too. All right. So, anyways, this is just a little welcome to the site. I said, welcome to the site. Please excuse the mess while we construct the site. It should be done soon. Thanks for your patience. And well, it's almost pretty much done. I've been probably about the last week. I've been tweaking it and getting it set the way I wanted it, and so on and so forth. And anyways, but I've got an About Me page here. Tells a little bit about me. Picture of myself there a few years ago. That's not up to date, obviously. But also on here, I'm offering a free download of my new ebook. I wrote a new ebook too. It's called Passive Income Strategies. I got a link for it right here, or there's a link right what you saw down here too. But it's a new book that I wrote. It's an ebook, and all the strategies that I wrote in this book, I'm doing those same things now, except for one. It talks about membership sites, and I don't fool with membership sites. But everything else that it talks about in that book is what I'm doing now in building my successful business in affiliate marketing online. All right, so you can, if you come here, you can get a free copy of it, but you got to hurry because I'm thinking about putting it up for sale here pretty soon, and so you can come and get it while it's available. It's a free download. You just come to this page here, fill out the form, check the GDPR agreement box here, click the download, and it'll bring the link right up on the page for you to download the book. All right, I'll just show you that right now. So let's just say if somebody named Tom comes, types it in, and they go to put their email address in, I'll just put that one in, and then check the box here to agree for the consent to store the data, and then click download, and it goes ahead and sends it, and then you see it comes right up with this page, this little message right here. It says thank you for downloading your copy of Passive Income Strategies. And excuse me just a moment, my throat's getting a little dry here. And then it's got the download your copy right here, and if you click on that, that takes you over where you can read it and download it, so on and so forth right there. You can download it off of, I've got it stored on Google Drive. Okay, so take advantage of that. Come get your copy of the Passive Income Strategies free book while it's still free, as a bonus for first-time visitors to my website. And that'll there's enough knowledge in there to jumpstart you and get you in doing the necessary steps to start a successful business on your own. Okay. Alrighty, and then I've got a blog here too, and I did post one blog. I wrote one blog article so far, questions and answers about what is or what's affiliate marketing, and you can also get my ebook right here too. Here's my social buttons for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and you can email me directly from here too. And I've also got on here, if you want to contact me through the website, you can do so right here as well on this page right here. And then it's the same thing, you got to check the GDPR agreement box there. So that GDPR is for European folks. The law, I believe it is not only just there, but even here in the United States, for European folks, when they come to the United States website and they put in their email address, name and email address, that you have to have that on there, or you could get in some bad legal troubles. Okay, so that's a legal purpose as to why that's there. Okay, and so yeah, you can contact me there. My resources page here, I've got my Facebook page live feed. Right here on the website. You can read some of my articles and posts that I have on my Facebook page. Live a Life of Freedom motivational page, motivation and success quotes and entrepreneurship on Facebook. You can like the page, and also you can access, you can get to my page right here at the bottom where it says find us on Facebook too. Alright, and there's links down here which are the same at the top menu up there. And I've also got my my Instagram feed here. This is live. This is all same with the Facebook and Instagram. Those are automatically updated feeds. That's why it's called feed, because it's a live feed of these accounts. And you can see it. You can load more of my Instagram posts. This is actually what my Instagram page looks like, except for the orange background here. You can click on any of the posts, and it takes you over and opens right up on Instagram, and you can see a larger shot of it there. Alrighty. So that, and then of course my videos, which you guys have probably seen a lot of these right off of YouTube. I've got them on here too. You can actually watch them from right here off the website. You don't have to go back to YouTube to do it. You can watch them from right here. And so I've got a few of my pretty good popular videos on here too. Well, anyways, guys, that pretty much is about it. I've showed you about everything about this. Like I said, it's taken me about 3 months almost to get this thing built like this, and get it up on the site and get it working properly and optimized and search engine optimized and all, so on and so forth. And in fact, Google sent me a thing here in email the other day saying that already, even in just 2 nights or 2 days that this thing's been online, that it's already starting to get hits. Google sent me an email. I don't think I still have it, but Google sent me an email yesterday saying that my website was already had a couple of hits to it. So it's starting to show up in at least the Google search engine anyway. I'm not sure about the Yahoo or the Bing search engine yet. Excuse me a second. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much what I want to show you guys today. Hey, if you like this video, and reach down there at the bottom and click that thumbs up button for me if you would. It'll help my channel. And check out my other links down there below the video. You can see my #1 recommended business, passive income business, down there. And I'll have a link down there too, where you can just click the link underneath the video here too, down in the description, where you can download my new ebook, Passive Income Strategies. Alrighty, so that's what I want to show you guys. I'll catch you here again here in about 2 days on the next video. Okay, all right. Thanks for coming, guys. You guys have a great day. Bye bye now.